Hi there. In my last video, I took you all with me as I gassed up my car and met my friend Cameron in California, where we visited Joshua Tree National Park. It was a fun day of exploring these beautiful landscapes with a good friend, and I took what I think are some of my best film photos to date. This trip marked the end of my stay in Arizona, and it was time for my mom and I to pack our things and head back to Kansas. The drive back would be long, and we didn't want to do it all in one day, so we decided to use this as a chance to explore a new city, Santa Fe, New Mexico. We stayed in Santa Fe for a day and a half, where we had some delicious food, and I decided to load up my last roll of Kodak Ultramax 400 to shoot while exploring the old historic part of the city. We stumbled onto a film set where I saw Mario Lopez, but today I was much more interested in my goal of taking photos of people on the street, and that's exactly what I did. Leave it to me to visit the oldest church in the US and be more interested in the building across the street. I noticed this guy wearing a red sweatsuit and a cool hat and took this photo, which I like, but it doesn't compare to the guy who I saw carrying a tripod and wearing pink Crocs, the pinnacle of fashion. When I came to this corner, I noticed this cool building, but then this woman wearing a poncho and a cool hat stepped in front of me. As I was trying to frame up the perfect shot of her, this old truck drove by and I got this. This is my favorite street photo I've taken so far. The colors, interesting subjects, and grouping of elements is balanced so nicely. Sadly, after this photo, my GoPro died, so here are the rest of the photos from the shoot. Well guys, with that video, that does it for my video series on this road trip that took me all the way through Colorado, Utah, Arizona, California, and finally New Mexico. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got to do all these videos for you guys and make something cool out of my vacation, and I'm really happy with the way that these photos turned out. I think they turned out really well, and I'm really happy about that. I just want to thank you guys who have watched through all of the videos and seen all of the photos that I got to create on this trip and left me comments about what photos you liked and what places you really thought were cool. And yeah, it's just been really rewarding to make videos for you guys, and it's been satisfying to know that you guys have enjoyed the stuff that I've been making. So shout out to you. If this is your first time watching one of my videos and you enjoyed this one, definitely go back and watch the video series that I made about this trip. It starts with the Zion National Park video, and it just takes you all the way through this entire road trip that was really long and really cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed this one, definitely go back and check out the other videos. Also, if you enjoy photo and filmmaking related content, definitely subscribe down below, because that really helps out a small channel like mine to grow, and it helps me make more videos for you guys. It's been really cool to see all of the new people joining in and subscribing and leaving comments so that we can talk about photos and video related stuff and our work, and it's just been a really fun community. So let's keep that growth up. We're almost to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so let's try and get there as fast as possible. So with that being said, that's about it for this video. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more traveling this year. I've got a lot of trips planned, so if you enjoyed this one, there's going to be more travel/photo related videos like this in the future. I'm also going to be doing more like tips and tricks videos for filmmaking and photography, as well as talking about different cameras and gear and stuff like that, and just also videos kind of about just kind of being a creative in this day and age. So if you are interested in that, definitely stay tuned, because that stuff is coming out really soon. Well, that's about it. I'm going to finish this coffee and probably scan some photos and do some video editing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.